Starting tonight in Colleton County as testimony continues today in the double murder trial of Alex-Murdaugh.
And once again today, testimony focusing on Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes. We have live team coverage on what happened today, starting with News 19's Sam Perez. Sam?
Yes, JR, Darcy, it was a packed day in the courtroom with people coming to hear from 5 different witnesses today. Megan Fletcher, Annette Griswold, Michael Gunn, Brian Hudak, and Dwight Falkowski testified, some about Alex-Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes, others on collected crime scene evidence. Annette Griswold worked as Murdaugh's paralegal at his former law firm for 9 years. Throughout that time, she says she got to know him and his work habits. Eventually, Griswold testifies she uncovered that Murdaugh had allegedly been misappropriating money from his clients and partners at the law firm after she realized there were checks missing without any record of them.
I'm still hoping he just lost the checks and this was all just a misunderstanding. But at the back of my mind, there's this huge red flag telling me this is not right. What is going on?
Griswold testified Murdaugh would say he was hand-delivering checks to Michael Gunn with Forge Consulting. But then Gunn took the stand to tell a different story.
Mr. Murdaugh ever meet you in Columbia and deliver some checks to you and tell you, hey, these are for the clients for structures or anything like that?
Absolutely not.
Did you ever meet with him halfway between Columbia and Hampton and get checks from him?
Absolutely not.
Did you ever call him and say, hey, can you bring those checks to me so that we can finance this?
Absolutely not.
The prosecution claims Murdaugh created a fake Forge account that he was using to deposit client funds, which he allegedly stole. In addition to the financial records, other evidence was presented today. Megan Fletcher with the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division was cross-examined by the defense after her testimony on Tuesday, where she discussed gunshot residue found on Murdaugh's car seatbelt and the inside of a jacket he was allegedly hiding, which defense attorney Jim Griffin pointed out is not biodegradable.
And you can't say how or when the particle was deposited on the belt, can you?
I cannot.
So if he had had that vehicle for 2 years and he'd been out shooting and got in it, I could have deposited one particle on the buckle and it could stay there unless it got knocked off, right?
Yeah, unless it was cleaned, it could have stayed there, yes, sir.
Brian Hudak with SLED and Dwight Falkowski with the FBI's Electronic Device Analysis Unit also took the stand to discuss data collected from Murdaugh's Chevy Suburban. He explained the timeline that the car was shifted in and out of park, as well as Bluetooth call logs from June 7th, 2021, the night of the murders. Using that data, Falkowski testified that it appears Murdaugh was only at his mom's house that night for 20 minutes, which is in line with the time frame provided by his mom's caretaker earlier this week. Now, Falkowski was last on the stand today. He will take the stand again tomorrow morning to be cross-examined by the defense. Reporting live in Walterboro, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX. JR, back to you.
All right, Sam, thank you. Testimony did start today with Megan Fletcher, that forensic scientist with SLED. She told jurors about a large amount of gun residue that was found on that blue raincoat. Michael Gunn, as you mentioned, also taking the stand today. He is a senior settlement consultant with Forge Consulting. That's a financial firm that helps clients invest money they've received from legal settlements. Murdaugh is accused of opening a bank account under the name Forge in order to steal money from clients.
Well, after that